Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Jack-O-Plays, and today we are going to be playing some Bubblegum Simulator. And yeah, let's get started. So yeah, right now we're at the event, and yeah, I'm gonna try and unbox this, the 0.015%. It's like super freaking hard to get, which I'm going to try and get. And I am full in storage. I need to save up for that. Alright, I don't really need these. I'm just gonna delete everything because nothing's out for donations right now. Hold on, I was just looking at something real quick. Thought I heard something. The sound's off. I do not know why. No! Don't. Oh my god, I have to start all over now. I want to start blowing. Come on. That sounds wrong. I want to start blowing bubbles. 37 pets already. I'll keep at least 2. One of each of that. Okay. Alright. Ooh, that's really loud. Yes, gifted butterfly. Guess I got something good. Rare. What? How is that already? Oh my god. Let's try and do this. I just keep getting the same thing. Like, I keep getting a Jolly Mouse. It's so freaking annoying. Let me just equip this. Alright, that was my tablet. Alright, let me just go. Where, right here. And I just had to hook that because these are the Christmas pets, and it allows me to get more figurines. So yeah, just go all the way right. Did I get it to level 2? No. 805,000. So let me get this cut out and get this one back in. Oops. Let me just collect these because I think my pets will want my pets. Just keep blowing. No! Oh. Oh, 1 million. Alright, yup. Definitely. Alright. Alright guys, I will be back when I hit 20 million, so yeah. Be right back. Alright guys, we are at 20 million right now. 20 million. Bro, that was like, that was quick. I'm just joking. Alright, so yeah, now we're just gonna grind and get some chests, mate. Get some chests. Well, you know, I got a 1 million storage, and yeah, I think I did when you were gone, when I was gone. Yeah, so we're just gonna wait for this chest. I'm just joking. Yeah, wait for it. I'm just gonna grind for bubbles. Grind. Oh my god, we keep running. Alright guys, so this will be it for this video. I know it was a little short, and yeah, I will see you in the next video, and we will get to like 25 million. 30, I don't know. See you in the next video. Goodbye.